I'm garden designer Peter Dowdall, and I was delighted to be asked by Foroige to help them to promote the wonderful work of their Big Brother Big Sister programme. The programme provides support for young people by matching them with caring adult volunteers who are willing to spend time with them, to encourage them to fulfil their dreams by working with them in their shared interests. The programme recently launched its B initiative, which aims to show members and to encourage members to get out and to enjoy and appreciate the wildlife and biodiversity all around us. World Bee Day was the 20th of May, and I would like to encourage all members to get involved in this project and to create little areas of beauty by sowing seeds in their own backyard, even in little window boxes or on an apartment balcony. This is a great way to stay connected in these challenging times, and I'd like to encourage those taking part to share photographs and even videos of their work. Maybe that's sowing seeds, maybe it's beautiful plants and flowers, maybe you have photographs of bees and butterflies coming to that area, into your garden, or maybe it's something like painting pots. Anything at all creative that you're doing, share your work. I'd also like to give a shout out for more matches, so more members to get involved with their young people and to help them to appreciate, maybe for the first time, the absolute wonder of nature and the insect and wildlife life and the biodiversity that's all around us. If you are interested, contact your Foroige staff member for more information.